Data extraction is the ability to extract data from objects in your drawing or multiple drawings. This functionality enables you to streamline the process of counting stuff by reducing the manual counting and entering of table data. The extracted data can then be linked to a table in your drawing or external files. AutoCAD provides a data extraction wizard that controls the extraction of that data. The data extraction wizard is where you extract data from your drawing. It's a very easy and intuitive wizard that steps you through the extraction process. Each step is designed to step you through the process of the data you want to extract. You will most likely use the data extraction wizard to create a table from blocks in your drawing that contain attribute data that you would use for a bill of materials, a schedule of some sort, or a tabulation of quantities. However, the data extraction wizard can be used for any AutoCAD data, such as lines, polylines, and so on. For example, you could use the data extraction wizard to measure the total length of walls from specific objects on a specific layer. One of the steps of the wizard allows you to link external data, such as a spreadsheet, and incorporate it into your table. The only stipulation is that you have a data matching column in the external file that will match a column from your drawing data. Notice that you can also add a formula column that will calculate your totals for you and a sum footer that will add the totals for you. Talk about time saving. Once you have extracted the data, it is simply a matter of outputting it. The two options available are as a linked table in your drawing or an external file such as a spreadsheet or text file. What's great about placing the table in your drawing is that if any changes are made to either the data in the drawing or the data in the external file, you will get notified of the update and your table will now update to reflect the changes. Let's look at an example of this. Let's copy this door around a few times. Then we'll go back into Paperspace, and all you have to do is simply select your table, right-click, and notice the option to update your table. That is really awesome. So as you can plainly see, data extraction is not only a huge time saver, but a great automation tool.